Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mandated. Today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your iPhone on version 12.4. So this now works on iPhone XS and XX Max, so it's a A12 jailbreak. Alright, so first just go down to the description below. I'm going to be having this link in the description. This is from icrackuridevice. So basically you just scroll down. So you get to here, so it's an uncovered jailbreak. It's gonna open up another link. Wait for this to download. Alright, shout out to him. You could just click right here if you want to subscribe to him. icrackuridevice. And you want to tap here to go. Alright, you want to scroll down, until you get to here. Click download. Uncover, which is what we want. Alright, so just give it a few seconds to download, and now that it's downloaded, you click it. It's gonna ask you to trust it. So you go back to your settings. Go to general, go all the way down, profile and devices management. Click trust. And then now you can be able to open it. Just click jailbreak here. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, so you're gonna press OK. It's gonna respring your device. And because I already did it before, that's why I had Cydia on my screen. So you go back, and Cydia is gonna be on your home screen. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free, and I'm out. Peace.